All right. Hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always. In today's video, we're going to be talking about dividends, the truth about dividends. Are dividends really worth it? Are they good? And what's going on with them? So if that sounds good, we're going to get into that in this video, my thoughts about dividend investing as a whole. And I also want to talk to you a little bit about TSLY, and I also want to talk to you a little bit about a different stock as well, just due to the fact that they are approaching some attractive buys, and I want to have you guys ready for the next week, because this is a little bit of a sad note. Sure, we are up to 1,919 subscribers. That is fantastic. But for the next week, I'm actually going to be taking a break from the channel. I'm actually going on vacation out west, and so I won't be able to record these amazing videos for you guys. So I want to end with a banger. We're talking about the truth about dividends. So if you can, please do subscribe to our channel. We are a growing page. We have new subscribers every day and an amazing community. Even though this video was 10 out of 10, you guys are still awesome. That's all my fault there on this video, so absolutely no worries on it. Even though it is a great video, it's just Zim Integrated Shipping Q2 earnings, so please do check that out if you're interested in that company, or you think they might be paying a dividend again and you want to see that video. So without further ado, I want to talk to you guys about the truth about dividends. Man, everyone talks so highly about dividends, how amazing they are, to be honest. And you know what, they're cool. If you are interested in receiving an extra $120 every single month for doing absolutely nothing, then dividends are exactly for you, and they're exactly what you need, because dividends are fantastic. Dividends put money in your pocket every single month, could potentially be every single day depending on how many stocks you have and the stocks that you own. But as you can see, I only have about $5,000 to $6,000 invested in my portfolio, and I'm going to be receiving about $120 US passively from my dividends. And I have a relatively small portfolio. As you can see, dividends aren't necessarily paid out on one specific day. Today is Thursday, August 17th right here. I have no dividends paid on this day, but I have a bunch of dividend payments. One from AT&T on the 1st. The 14th, I have two from TSLY and ADC. I have two on the 15th. I have one on August 21st. I have one on August 25th from USOY, and our big boy KLIP on August 28th, which is yet to come in. So as you can tell, dividends are spread out all across the whole entire month, and they put money in your pocket for literally holding on to amazing companies and businesses. And as you can see, I haven't made a video on any buys that I've done recently, and that's because I haven't bought anything. Last time I bought, zooming in right here, was August 3rd. And so it's been a very long time since I've actually bought a stock. The last stock that I bought was TSLY. All I'm doing is buying TSLY and KLIP. But as you can see, dividends have continued to come into my brokerage account. As you can see, $25 here, subtracting all the tax and everything that we have in between, to $1.22 here, $1.72, and $4 here. I actually did put in $2,000, as you can see here, which I will be doing to buy new stocks such as TSLY and KLIP. But for now, and due to the fact that I'm going on vacation, I'm going to hold off on that buy. A fun little fact is that generally whenever I go on vacation, the stocks generally present amazing buying opportunities. So I am taking a hit for you guys. I want you guys to be on the lookout for TSLY, and I also want you guys to be on the lookout for KLIP, Kraneshares China Internet Cover Call Strategy ETF 2, for the fact that they might be posting some interesting buying opportunities over the next few days. Over the next week, I will be gone. But as you can see, KLIP, their stock price hasn't done amazing over the past little while, and it's taken a pretty decent hit over the past month, going down from almost $20 to about $18 per share, which with the current dividend yield of basically 50%, going to their historical data and seeing their recently paid dividends, you can see they are a 50% dividend payer. So they have awesome dividends. And they only cost about $18 per share, which I'm pretty sure most people can afford if you choose to invest in them. As you can see, they returned about 80 cents per share over the past 3 months. Now, this is just a little video highlighting dividends, because I don't think a lot of people really take dividends so seriously. I understand that you can invest for stocks for capital appreciation, but with the power of dividends, you get cash back in your pocket, $123 every single month, to then reinvest, buy amazing companies once again. And there is a true saying in the power of compound interest. I always love busting out the compound interest calculator here on my channel. And that's because, look at this. I want to show you something crazy. This is a very extreme example. So we got $1. Everyone has $1, I would hope, or can accumulate $1. A monthly contribution of about $5. Let's go crazy, 50 years here. An estimated interest rate, this is also wild, but just to show you the power of compound interest, we got 50% interest rate here, and we're going to do it annually. And I want to calculate this, and I want to show you guys how massive these results are. You're looking at 77, what is this? $77 billion right here. And as you can see, jumping into our years here, it always starts out slow at the beginning, but as you can see, it starts to separate and grow and grow and grow until the results are astronomical. That is the power of compound interest, but also the power of dividends. If you're receiving $120 in dividends this year, imagine in 5 years from now, or even imagine 1 year from now if you choose to reinvest those dividends. $120 is a good amount of chunk of change for only $6,000 invested in my portfolio. And just going over some average monthly expenses, you can pay for things such as maybe not your house and rent with $120, but you can pay for maybe your car insurance every month, or some travel expenses, some food and groceries. That's a good grocery bill, $120. Well, actually, you know what? Food is so expensive nowadays. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I know groceries are expensive, man. $120, I don't know if that would cover it, but maybe a cell phone bill. I think $120 should cover a cell phone bill. And just little things like that. Little expenses that are going to be put back into your pocket for you because you chose to reinvest in yourself and put money towards yourself in your future while investing in those dividends. And once again, I was going to actually make 2 videos saying about this. One video was going to be about the power and the awesomeness of dividends, and one was going to be about KLIP and TSLY. But what I do want to show you here is the downtrend in TSLY. TSLY actually just kind of entered into a downtrend, and so did TSLA, the underlying stock that it tracks. And so what I want to do here is I just want to show you guys the chart super quickly, if you can hang with me. I don't know why it's going to CVS here. We got to go to TSLY. Perfect. Thank you. Yieldmax. You already know it's Yieldmax with a 66% dividend. But I want to show you here the chart. And that's just due to the fact that TSLY's entering a pretty interesting buying opportunity with the MACD switching and going to the bearish side. So as you can see at this point right here, I'm going to zoom in. If I could zoom in a bit more here, you can see the MACD switched over in the past couple days, which means that TSLY is now in a bear trend. So we could reach levels that were previously hit upwards of maybe 6 months ago or a year ago, where the stock was trading at about $10 per share. So under $13, maybe even under $12 is where I'm going to be looking to get back into TSLY. I know I keep saying I'm going to get back in at maybe under $14, but I do think the worst hasn't yet hit for TSLY. I do think it's going to be trading a bit lower in the future. And so that's where I'm going to be looking to pick up some shares, maybe close to the $10 range. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Another amazing thing about the power of dividends is when you're investing in long-term dividend stocks, for example, Walmart being one of them, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Johnson & Johnson, amazing dividend paying companies for 50 years plus, dividend kings. Look at this. You're talking about a growing dividend for the past 70 years. You can park your money. Sure, they're not going to yield you those insane returns such as TSLY right here, or this, 50% put in the compound interest calculator, but they're going to return you, very, very mild yield of 1.42%, and also capital growth over the long term. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. You know what? I never really asked for likes, but please do like this video if you did enjoy. And you know what? Please also as well, if you can, hit that subscribe button. Please, I'm saying please too much. I'm not going to say please no more. You guys got to hit that subscribe button. We're a growing page on YouTube, and I just appreciate you guys so much for, sticking around, enjoying the dividend journey with me, kind of agreeing with me how dividends, they're something special. They put money in your pocket for doing nothing, and I just want to share that with you guys, and anything I can do to help is always awesome. So keep on the lookout for TSLY. Keep out on the lookout for KLIP. Buy some amazing paying dividend stocks for the long term, which are going to put cash in your pocket forever, which are going to help you pay your expenses and keep you resting and sleeping well at night. So without further ado, I hope you guys do take care. I will be gone for the next week, so this is my last video for the next 7 days. I wanted to end with a banger. I wanted to keep you guys energized and hyped about dividends, and I hope I did that in this video. I'm going to quickly stop this video, so I want to say thank you again for watching. I hope you take care, and I want to see you guys in a week in our next video. Take care, guys.